President, we just received notice that the students aren't passing their exam.
What? When was the last time they got laptops?
I think last year, maybe?
Are you serious? They're working with last year's models? We need to upgrade it immediately. These are the latest models. Give it to them now.
Yes, Miss President.
Hurry!
Mr. President, test scores are dropping. I think the students need laptops.
What? Then we have to get them some. Let me see how much money I have. I don't have any more money. I spent it all on the arts program.
Oh, that's okay, Mr. President. Thanks anyways.
Wait. The students are the future. I know a perfect way to help.
All right, everyone. I have a surprise. Please welcome the President.
Hi, everyone.
Whoa, it's actually the President.
That's so cool.
Hi, everyone. I'm happy to let you know that I'm going to stay for 2 hours to help you study.
Whoa, the President.
All right, guys, let's get started then.
Yeah, I can approve that. Wait, okay, I need to find the form. Oh no.
Miss President, we need a response from you now.
Yeah, sorry, I think it'd be a good idea.
What did you say? I can't hear you.
Ivy, give me my microphone.
Of course, Miss President.
Hello, can you hear me now? Okay, good, let's continue.
Yeah, I think we can start by improving our agriculture.
Oh, well, we can add. And I think something like that would make it much better.
Wait, what was that? I didn't hear you.
I'm saying we should understand?
Oh, come on, internet, work. Come on, please, computer, work. I can't work like this. I'll just use my phone. Hello, Senator Amy? Yeah, I can hear you now. Okay. So.
Stop right there.
Huh? What's going on?
I have specific orders to scan anyone who wants to see the President.
Fine, hurry up.
I'm just doing my job. I'll need to inspect the folder as well.
No way, this is classified.
Give it to me.
No, these are top secret files.
Huh? What's going on here?
I'm sorry, Miss President. I can't confirm if she's not a threat. She won't let me do my job.
Oh, don't worry, Ivy, that's just my friend.
Oh, I'm so sorry, Miss President.
Oh, that's okay. Here's money for your hard work. Yes. Come on, Amy, let's go.
Thank you. Hey, what's going on? Why are you standing in front of the President's office?
Me? I should be asking you that.
I have official business with the President. I need to get inside.
No, I don't know who you are. I'm not gonna let you speak to my favorite president.
Huh? What's all that noise out there?
No, you can't come in.
I need to talk to
What's
him.
going on here?
Hey,
Mr. President! This random guy won't let me in. I have to talk to you about this top secret information.
Oh, that's Kevin, my volunteer security guard. He's just doing his job.
Yeah.
Oh, well, I really need to talk to you, Mr. President.
Oh, well, come on in.
Thank you.
Is there any way I can help you, Miss President?
There's just so many options. I don't know what to buy.
Well, I'm sure it wouldn't be a problem if we just got one of everything.
You're right. I know what to do. Hi.
How can I help you?
I'd like to buy your whole store, please.
What? How are you gonna pay for all that?
Well, as president, I have a lot of money, so here you go.
Whoa! Have fun.
Let's shop.
Oh, chips? Huh? $10? I can't afford that. I only have $5. What can I buy with that? Maybe some fruit?
Excuse me. Can you hurry up? I gotta close the store soon.
Seriously? Do you mind staying open for a little longer? I'm the president and,
The president? Of course! You help me so much with my business. Here, take this. A token of my thanks.
Oh, really? Thanks.
Come again, anytime.
Ooh, I really want to see this movie. Huh? Why is the line so long? I think I know what to do about this.
Really, Miss President? What are you gonna do?
Just watch. Whoever gives up their spot gets money.
Whoa, money? You can have my ticket!
Thanks for the money. Yeah. Why aren't you leaving?
I'm not giving up my spot. I want to see this movie.
As president, I order you to give up your spot.
Yeah, presidential orders.
Oh, the president? Oh, so sorry. Here's my ticket.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Oh, ticket? Here you go. Come on in.
Oh, new Crafty Hacks movie. I have to see it. Oh man, I don't have any money. Maybe they'll let me in because I'm the president.
Here you go.
Thank you. Come on in. Ticket, please.
I don't have one.
No ticket? Then you can't come in.
Wait. Can you make an exception? Because I'm the president.
Whoa, the president?
What's so funny? I am the president.
The president always wears nice clothes. You're wearing regular clothes.
What? I couldn't afford a new coat. Please, I am the president.
Okay, this isn't funny anymore. If you don't have a ticket, you gotta go.
Okay, fine, I'll go.
I can't believe he said it was the president. Best excuse I've heard all day, though.
I'm hungry, but I don't know what I want. Chef!
Yes, Miss Lily?
What did you prepare for dinner? I'm so hungry.
Oh, I prepared this nice sandwich for you.
Ooh, a sandwich. Oh, but I'm not really feeling that. How about dessert?
Dessert? Oh, how about cake?
Ooh, perfect. Thank you, Chef. It's amazing.
But of course.
Oh, I'm so hungry. Maybe I have some snacks around here. Oh, chips. Oh, yes. Oh, what? They're just crumbs. Well, crumbs are better than nothing.
Hi, everyone. Did you guys like our video? Leave a comment down below.
Make sure to subscribe to our channel.
Hit the bell button.
Give us a big thumbs up.
And we'll see you in the next video.
Bye.